welcome back to another quick video. Before I get started, just want to share with you that I plan on adding a different direction to this channel, just to fill it out a little bit more. I am based in the southeast parts of Melbourne and Victoria in Australia. What I do for my day job is I'm a fencer, mainly the colour bond, which is coloured steel. So I just want to add that to this channel to show my customers what to expect for a good job. I have been doing it for 22 years now, so I think it's time to put a little bit of video to it. But anyway, before I show you what I found today, what I got today, these came free, all from Power Tools. Just want to also share with you, it is getting difficult to source out these batteries in Australia. We're one of the highest regulated countries in the world when it comes to you can't do this, you can't do that. They call us the nanny state. Too much rules and regulations around lots of things, batteries being one. And what I constantly get told is people who franchise their business, for argument's sake, like Battery World, are told that the people, when they sign their contracts, that their head office says you have to dispose of your batteries via the correct channels. In other words, people who end up putting in landfill, I guess, rather than give it to someone like yourself who can clearly reuse them and safely. Yeah, no BMS, I'm working on it. But sometimes out there, you can actually score. But like I said, if I'm going to keep looking for batteries, I may have to start considering the idea of doing this with Power Tool batteries. It's probably better because of high drain cells. Anyway, that aside, I'll just show you what I got today. Now, like I said, you can still get batteries in Australia. Quite often you've got to pay. People know that there's a bit of a demand, and that's those people who bypass all this red tape. But otherwise, I'll show you what I've got today. So, a few Makita with a couple of big cells, probably the bigger 2170s, more in there. Here also, and if you have a look, these ones, by memory, are the 2170 cells, which are, I believe these came out of those sort of packs. So, a few in there, more in here, more in there, and they're just standard 18650s, I believe, and more in there. So I think those 3 boxes with all these big packs of the 2170s. So anyway, that is hard to get the 18650s from the laptops. I can still get some. That could be the direction I go with the Power Tool batteries. But the trade-off is high drain cells, which is less stress on the batteries. But the downside is the harder to pull apart, takes longer to get the cells. But anyway, thanks again for watching. Please subscribe and hit the thumbs up.